Hey, what's up guys, Adam here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at my 5 different streams of income, both active and passive. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So before I get into it, it must be said that no longer is it feasible to expect one job to hold you down for the rest of your working life. In fact, if 2020 has shown us anything, it's that nothing in the workforce is completely guaranteed, especially those jobs in the hospitality and entertainment sectors. So now then is a better time than any to start looking for alternative streams of income. It could be as simple as delivering pizzas, doing some Ubering, braiding hair. You could even take a skill that you already have from your primary job and do some freelancing with that skill, or even build a business from that skill as well. So the possibilities then are truly endless. It's really down to your creativity and using skills that you already have and applying those skills to give you an extra source of income. So with that being said, then let's get into my 5 streams of income. So my first and main stream of income actually comes from my full-time job. So full-time, I am a multimedia developer, as I've probably mentioned on this channel already, and a multimedia developer pretty much covers areas such as web development to IT systems to 3D modeling to videography. So anything in the multimedia space is pretty much something that I actually cover. And it is a 9-to-5 job, 5 days a week, so it does cover the majority of my working hours. Now, it is a job that I really enjoy doing. It's something that I studied at university. I also have a passion for the multimedia side of things. Now, it does get busy from time to time, but overall is a job that I really enjoy doing and can see myself doing for the years to come. Now, just like myself, there are a lot of people who rely on their full-time job as being their primary source of income. And true, there are some people out there that just don't like their full-time job. They don't get along with their employees, or they don't get along with their boss, and therefore they can find having a full-time job incredibly difficult. Now, as I said previously on this channel, having a full-time job does not give you the most amount of freedom in terms of time and being able to control how much you make. But having said that, having a full-time job keeps you grounded financially whilst you're able to build up your other streams of income. Now, of course, full-time jobs are fairly active. Now, I've used these two terms before, active and passive, as well as at the start of this video. So active basically means you are trading your time for money. So when you go to your full-time job, you may either clock in or you may have a set time that you need to arrive for. And as soon as you finish outside of those working hours, then you no longer get paid anymore. Whereas with a passive income, you continually get paid whether you are awake, whether you are present in the field of work, or whether you are asleep. You will still make money in the background. That is the difference between having an active income and a passive income. So my second stream of income actually comes from my part-time job. My part-time job is in event security. I've actually had this job now for just under 7 years. I actually started it when I was at 6th form, kept the job while I was at university, and I still keep the job now whilst I'm working full-time. Now, the benefit of this job is that it's actually on a casual hour contract, also known as a 0-hour contract as well. That basically means I can pick and choose when I want to work, and that's why it was so convenient for me whilst I was at university in 6th form, and it's also more convenient for me now whilst I work full-time. So aside from the flexibility benefits of having the part-time job, I'm also able to see some amazing shows such as Drake, Kevin Hart, The Greatest Showman, and just being there over the past 7 years has allowed me to build more on my soft skills, such as my confidence and team working abilities. These are the great skills that employers like to see when you look for other employment. Now, of course, like my full-time job, this is an active role. So of course, we're dealing with customers, so it can't be a job that you can really do passively. But once again, I only make money for the hours that I work. So I clock in, and as soon as I clock out, I stop making money from that point. However, though, as you've noticed, the job is in event security. So as you know, we've had the pandemic all throughout 2020, and that has bled over into 2021. So therefore, that income stream has actually been affected due to there being no large-scale events taking place at any arenas or even large outdoor venues. And that is again why it's so crucial to have multiple streams of income, because at any one time, you can lose one of those streams of income and it can be completely out of your control. But hopefully at some point during 2021, we can start to see the hospitality sector and the event sector start to pick up and get back on their feet. So my third stream of income actually comes from my web and videography business, something I've been doing now on and off for a number of years. I actually started trading under the name AL Tech Guy, but I've since changed that in 2019 to Adam Lubin Media. So the majority of the business revenue comes from me going out and filming, whether that be music videos, corporate videos, weddings, and of course me also doing web development and doing site maintenance and SEO. However, I am able to bring in some passive income through hosting client websites on my virtual web server. I then charge them monthly or yearly depending on the demand of their website and of course what services they require. So my fourth stream of income actually comes from my YouTube channel. No, not this channel, but my old technology YouTube channel. And some of you may be aware of that channel, especially if you actually come from that channel and subscribe to this one. Now that channel started off as primarily a gaming channel. Now at the time, and I still believe it's the case today, you was not able to monetize a gaming channel through standard Google AdSense. You had to go through a gaming partnership such as Fullscreen, RPM, or in my case, Zoomin.tv. So I've had the channel now for around about 9 years and I was able to get the monetization around about 8 years ago, so around about 2013 time, and it's been monetized ever since. Now that channel generates me an average revenue of around about 40 to 60 pounds per month, which probably doesn't sound like a great deal, but for a channel that hasn't been active for a very long time, it's not too bad going.
Hey, what's up guys, Adam here, and today I have another product from Beatron. This is the Beatron HD 800 wireless headphones. So let's go ahead and take a look at them.
So my fifth and final income stream for now is my stock investment portfolio. Now granted, this is definitely the smallest generating income stream out of the other four, but it's no surprise there because it's definitely the newest addition to my stream of income. And as we know, building up a stock portfolio does take some time. You don't get that immediate gratification straight away. And of course, you want to have it for the long term so it can build that magic of compound interest. Now within my portfolio, I have a combination of growth stocks as well as dividend paying stocks. And if you want to see my portfolio, be sure to keep subscribed because I'm going to be showcasing my portfolio within a few videos time. So spoiler alert, the purpose of the stock portfolio that I'm going to be talking about is actually to go towards a property investment business venture. So currently we're in this stage of building up a team and building up capital for the business. So you want to hear more about that, be sure to subscribe because we're going to be talking a lot more about property investment on this channel. So following the release of the first stock portfolio video, I'm going to release one maybe 4 times a year so you can see the progress of the particular portfolio. So anyway guys, that has been the video on my 5 streams of income. Now as we know, having multiple streams of income, especially if they are passive streams of income, is the best way to get to financial freedom and independence. So now it's your turn. What are your streams of income and how do you plan on building more streams of income? Let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Give me a big like down below. And you want to see more videos like this based on personal finance, investing, business and videography, this is the channel for it, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload videos to the channel. Anyway guys, it's been Adam here. Thank you for watching. Take care. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.